Natutuwa akong dumating ka. I'm glad you came. May binili ako para sa iyo. I bought something for you. Pinapapili ako. I was asked to choose. Huwag mo akong alalahanin. Don't worry about me. Sinusubukan ko pa rin. I'm still trying. Naiiba ka. You're different. Pumili ka ng isa. Choose one. Ayaw kong isipin yan. I don't want to think about it. Bakit kailangan mo itong gawin? Why do you have to do this? Tinatamad ako. I feel lazy. Nagbayad ka ba? Did you pay? Bakit ang daming tao? Why there so many people? Anong gusto mong suotin? What do you want to wear? Anong tinitingnan mo? What are you looking at? Mas matanda ka sa akin. You're older than me. Huwag mo silang intindihin. Don't mind them. Bakit mo tinatanong? Why are you asking? That's exactly my idea. Iyon talaga ang ideya ko. Nandoon lang iyon. It's just there. Panghuli iyon. That comes last. Sigurado akong alam mo. I'm sure you know. Mukhang hindi ito totoo. It doesn't seem true. Baka hindi totoo. It might not be true. Parang may mali. Something seems wrong. Totoo bang ginawa niya yon? Did she really do that? I disagree with you. Hindi ako sang-ayon sa iyo. Pakitimpla mo ako ng kape. Please make a cup of coffee. Kakauwi ko lang galing sa trabaho. I just got home from work. Tumaba ka. You gain weight. Gaano karaming timbang ang nadagdag sa iyo? How much weight have you gained? Nawalan ako ng gana. I've lost my appetite. Hindi ko narinig ang sinabi mo. I didn't hear what you said. Mataas ang tingin niya sa'yo. He thinks highly on you. Bakit ka umuwi kaagad? Why did you go home immediately? Nasaan ka buong araw? Where have you been all day? Wala nang mas malala pa dito. Nothing can be worse than this. Ayokong maghihintay ng ganong katagal. I don't want to wait that long. Gusto mo bang sumali sa amin? Would you like to join us? Para saan yan? What is that for? Magiging masaya ito. It's going to be fun. Bakit ka naman aalis? Why are you leaving? Sinasayang mo lang ang oras ko. You're wasting my time. Anong gagawin ko? What should I do? Salamat sa paliwanag mo. Thank you for your explanation. Kailangan ko bang gawin iyon? Do I have to do that? Sigurado ka bang sinabi niya iyon? Are you sure he said that? Anong sinabi mo? What did you say? Masaya ako para sa iyo. I'm happy for you. Itaas mo ang iyong kanang kamay. Raise your right hand. Huwag mo akong tingnan ng ganyan. Don't look at me like that. Pagpahingahin mo naman ako. Give me a break. Walang makakaalam. No one will know. Nagkataon lang iyon. That's just a coincidence. Sinasadya mo ba? Did you mean it? Hindi ko mapigilang tumawa. I can't stop laughing. Ang ganda mo. You look pretty or beautiful. Napakatalino mo. You are so smart. Ano sa tingin mo ang dahilan? What made you think so? Sana kaya ko. I wish I could. Kailangan mong sabihin sa kanya. You have to tell her or him. Pwede kang magtanong mamaya. You can ask later. Ito ay kapaki-pakinabang. This is very useful. Sobrang nadala ako. I was so carried away. How is it going? Kumusta na? Huwag kang masyadong umasa sa iba. Don't rely too much on other. Wala akong trabaho. I have no work. Dito ka lang sa amin. Stay here with us. Huwag mo akong mamasamain. Don't get me wrong. Gusto kong makasiguro kung darating siya. I want to make sure if he will come. Nandito kami buong araw. We are here all day. Pakidala mo yan sa akin. Please bring that to me. Anong binili mo? What did you buy? Binili ko ito kahapon. I bought this yesterday. Napakamahal nito. This is so expensive. Mura lang ito. It's just cheap. This is cheap. Sigurado ka ba dyan? Are you sure about it? Sanay na ako dyan. I'm used to it. Dapat masanay ka na. You should get used to it. Ipaalam mo sa akin. Let me know. Totoo ba ang kapalaran? Is faith real? Mukhang masaya siya. She looked very happy. Napakasipag mo. You are diligent. Nagmamadali ako. I'm in a hurry. Gusto kong ibigay ito sa kanya. I want to give this to her, him. Sa tingin ko pagod ka lang. I think you are just tired. Huwag ka nang mag-abalang tawagan siya. Don't bother to call her, him. Hindi mo ba kayang gawin iyon? Can't you do that? Walang dapat ikatakot. There's nothing to be afraid of. Gusto kitang pasalamatan tungkol dito. I want to thank you for this. Ako na ang bahala dito. Let me handle this. Pag-iisipan ko. I will think about it. Nag-aalala ako sa'yo. I was worried about you. Huwag mo akong bibiguin. Don't let me down. Hindi madali ang buhay. Life is not easy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. Salamat at umabot ka dito. Sana may naitulong at natutunan ka sa videong ito. Salamat!